How to remove on Cnfans. To request a refund on Cnfans, you have to follow these steps. Very first thing is that order pending. If your order is still pending, you can cancel it directly from your account. Go to the user center, select order and choose cancel. Right, so let's try this up. Now here, this is my profile icon here on the top right, which you will usually find in the on the left side here. So in the order section you can find it up, that whether your order is pending or not. So if your order is pending, you can always cancel it up. But if your order is processing, so for orders that are processing, you can also cancel them through the same method which I told you earlier. If the item have not yet been purchased, the cancellation will be confirmed and the refund will be processed within 1 working days. But if the order status shows purchased, then what will happen? So in this case, in your user center and select after sale for that order, CNFan will request a refund from the seller. If the seller have not delivered the item yet, the refund will be credited to your account balance upon seller, which generally takes about 3 days. If the seller has shipped the item but you believe that there's an issue, for example, there's for example, if there's a fake tracking number, go to the orders and click after sales. So here you can always see this option of after sales here, and you can confirm with the seller. It usually take about 7 days for the funds to return in your account. So this is it, and I hope you found this video very useful.